Hey everybody, we're going to look at the mirror tool today, and for the mirror tool I need to start with a shape that I want to essentially mirror or recreate on another side of a line, and then I have to develop the line that I want to use, or I can use one of the lines on the plane. I'm going to use this shape that I created with a spline, and I am going to select that shape in that line, and then I do a mirror, and it'll make a mirror image over that line. If I, let's see, now that I've done that, I'm going to get out of that tool. If I select the spline and I change it, notice how it changes with the mirror itself. If I were to, pick a specific point, that point's going to mirror. All right, so all sorts of ways that we can use that mirror tool. Obviously, again, you can do any random line you want to. So if I, just for the sake of showing you this, if I create a line up here and I want to mirror that same shape across that line now, I would select that and do mirror, and now I have another one on the other side of that. So now when I change this feature, all right, changes on all sides of that. Pretty cool and also crazy.